ASTC is our next stock on the list. This is Astrotech. This did trade up in the after hours last week, popped again here on some pretty good volume this morning before coming back in. It's actually right beneath its VWAP. Looks like on Friday morning it reported earnings, and then I guess, again, popped a little bit in the after hours. Nothing fresh on the news front from then to now, however. So it looks like maybe just some continued reaction to that. Quick peek at the short interest on this one, 1.71% of the float shorted with 4.38 days to cover. That's because it has an average volume of literally 14,000 shares. I think you could throw that out. Probably no squeeze action here today. I have a float here of 1.68 million. It's traded 5.4 million here today, so we've totally rotated it prior to the open. What do you think here on ASTC, Chartmaster?
This move that we're getting here today, I think this is on relative volume. I didn't see any news that was driving this up here today, but just looking at how we were getting this movement on Friday, I think this was like one of the highest volume days we've had since middle of December last year. So I think we're seeing some of that volume carry over into today. The float is 1.68 million. I have VWAP as the next resistance, but if we break through that, then I think we could go towards that trend line. I actually went to the wicks. It's interesting that the wicks on Pro are so different from the one on my chart. But anyway, that's that. We'll go with that because some of the wicks don't have the same extension. Like that one, that red one that you drew through. That one I have here on my broker is higher than the green candle.
So part of that because your broker might be showing more of the overnight session, like the actual 24-hour session, which is not being shown here. That might be one of the reasons for it. 13, the basic premise here is I thought that with some of the wicks that I chopped through, first of all, I was able to touch more points. This is almost like the statistics student in me drawing a correlation coefficient line, trying to draw it through the most amounts of contact here. We can adjust it if necessary, and if it looks just awfully different on yours, maybe I should, but this is just kind of what I eyeballed.
It's close enough. I think for the purpose that we're going to be using it for, it gives us an idea of where we could see resistance if we recapture VWAP and go on a run.